Partnership Act 1932. उससे बेटा Yinson the Sale of Goods Act last lecture was told the basic introduction of Indian Partnership Act 1932 बेटा Yinson the Sport Indian Contract Act 1872 then पर Sale of Goods Act 1930 बेटा Yinson this मनाश Indian Partnership Act that is Ramut sir मैं तो बेटे this act will come into Indian Contract Act 1872 बेटा सर मैं तो बेटे बोलो ना सर ये क्या है सामुत एक्जिस्टेंस सुनना बेटा याद तब एक्जिस्टेंस क्योंकि ये साथिस इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है परा तात्मज गुशेस पार्टीज कितकच कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करा as per the Indian Contract Act 1872 बेटा this act says that ये साथिस agreement is करा then it becomes how हम कितना कर बेटा contract these are relating to Indian Contract Act 1872 बेटा एक बात बोल रहा है Sale of Goods Act ये साथ है Sale of Goods Act बोल आत्मस होचेस सर अगर ऐसे Sale of Goods Act बोल आत्मस होचेस आत्मस होचेस बेटा ये साथ इस पर goods sell सी करना ये साथ है goods के sold अब goods कितना चीज transfer करा parties transfer of title कितना चीज कसा बेटा that records Sale of Goods Act 1930 बेटा it means ये साथ इस ऊपर basic definitions of Indian Partnership Act 1932 गन्ने कोई सेक्शन बेटा आसान तो एक कांते सेक्शन पढ़ो Sale of Goods Act पढ़ो Bonus Act पढ़ो Gratuity पढ़ो बेटा ताच आसान number 1 section that is called the applicability of this section बेटा do you agree to this sir okay लिखना section number 1 Indian Partnership Act 1932 is applicable whole of India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. को बेटा ये साथ इस परांच आप क्या सर applicability मतलब this act is applicable whole of India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. बेटा Indian Partnership Act does not apply the state of Jammu and Kashmir. बेटा this is called section number 1 of Indian Partnership Act. Okay. लिखना section number 2 it says that the basic definition of partnership बेटा okay लिखना section number 3 बेटा बना है the basic provisions the basic provision of Indian Contract Act is applicable in partnership unless otherwise stated. सुना बेटा Sir, what does it mean? बेटा मेरे को बोलना कि Indian Partnership Act के जो मज़मून sir it becomes Indian Contract Act 1872. इस बेटा ये मज़मून को it means यमते में provision चासा Indian Contract Act it also applicable in Indian Partnership Act 1932. But these are called the basic definitions of Indian Partnership Act. लिखना Indian Partnership examination, and this act will also applicable in exam, and this act is very important. Section number 4, beta, this is the very important section that I will discuss.
Silent.
I hope beta तो ऐसा तुम मुझे number 4, section 4 लिखना definition of partnership. लिखना partnership means relationship of between the persons who have partnership means relationship between the persons who have agreed to share the profits, of business carried on by all, any of,
or anyone.
all,
Anyone of
carried on by all or any of them
acting for
acting
all.
for all. Because this is the definition as per section 4 of Indian Partnership Act. It means Indian Partnership Act is the relationship between the persons who have agreed to share the business profits of business carried on, or any of them acting for all. This is the definition of Indian Partnership Act. Suppose beta, now we will discuss what is the features of partnership. Now we will discuss the features of partnership. Suppose इसको बेटा यही definition will elaborate. Yeksatis paranch satya यही just definition of Indian Partnership. मेरे बेटे हाँ, this is the definition of Indian Partnership Act as per section 4 बेटा. What is the meaning of relationship बेटा? Sir, what is relationship? Beटा, this is the relationship between the persons. Suppose partnership means relationship between the persons. Suppose beta, अगर तो suppose this is A and this is B. Sir, मैं तो बेटे हाँ. Sir, क्या human one was partners? Can we say that A and B are partners? Now we will discuss अगर बेटा अपन applicability of Indian Partnership Act शिकसा then we choose number one partners. Suppose number 1. अगर इस partner A, इस partner B बेटा, अगर इस करा sharing of profit, then it is called partnership बेटा. Then it is called partnership. बेटा joint venture का concept बेटा these are called joint venture.
Yes.
क्या बेटा joint venture का sharing of profit? Yes. But Indian Partnership Act says that this is a long term, not a short term period. कोई इंसान इस बनाया अगर human pair choice, अगर A and Mr. B, sir, can we say that Mr. A and Mr. B is a partners? Now, beta, we will discuss Indian Partnership Act 1932. That is says that the definition of partnership. सुनना बेटा. Partnership is the relationship. Partnership is the relationship. Sir. Now we will discuss the relationship of A and Mr. B. Beta concentration between the persons. मेरे को बोल Mr. A is a person? क्या Mr. B is a person? Yes. Between the persons who have agreed. बेटा जिसमें agree होना चाहिए. Agreed to share the profits of business. को बेटा अगर Mr. A and Mr. B का business कर, उनका जरा से agree करने खातिर sharing of profit of business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. This is very very important. So what does it mean? Suppose बेटा suppose अगर Mr. A का काम कर agreement to Mr. C बेटा. Suppose अगर Mr. B अगर ये पार्टनर्स बेटा इस पार्टनरशिप को एक को agreement to Mr. C बेटा. क्या बेटा बाकी पार्टनर छाता पे लॉयल उसे काम करे?
Yes, sir.
अगर इस बताओ Mr. C said for be in agreement without the information of Mr. A. क्या Mr. A बना Mr. B I am not agreed with this work.
Yes, sir.
क्या बन सर? No. क्योंकि carried on by all or any of them acting for all. This is called the mutual agency of partnership. म्यूचुअल एजेंसी मतलब वो बेटा अगर मिस्टर बी का कौन करा का एग्रीमेंट करा देन मिस्टर ए इज आल्सो कंसर्न्ड विद दैट.
एडमिशन
सुनना बेटा अगर इस मनाच एडमिशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप बेटा दैट मस्ट कैसे आसे विद द कंसेंट ऑफ ऑल एक्जिस्टिंग पार्टनर्स. बेटा वी विल डिस्कस लेटर ऑन व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एडमिशन. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस सेक्शन नंबर 4 दैट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप. Partnership means relationship between the persons who have agreed to share the profits of business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. This is the basic definition of partnership. Now we will one by one to understand the definition of partnership. बेटा ये definition है Indian Partnership Act की. Now we will discuss actually what will understand the meaning of partnership. सुना number 1 features of partnership. At least 2 persons become partnership. Suppose beta at least 2 persons. Suppose at least what does it mean sir? बेटा at least means कम से कम 2 persons होना important है. अगर इस बनो suppose is Mr. A a partnership? No. Before we will say that Mr. A is a partner or not. Now we will discuss the definition of partnership. Sir, between the persons who have agreed, between the persons. Now sir, what does it mean the word person? As per the definition of Indian Partnership Act, at least 2 persons become what?
partners.
At least 2 persons. But at least 2 persons. It means Mr. A is not a partnership. Beta, do you agree to this? Beta, do you agree to this? Yes, sir. Sir, मैं तो बेटे हाँ. Sir, Mr. A and Mr. B. Can we say that this is formed a partnership? Yes, beta. This is formed because at least 2 persons become what?
Partnership.
But at least 2 persons. Because Mr. A and Mr. B can form a partnership. क्योंकि Indian Partnership Act says that at least 2 persons, Mr. A and Mr. B, beta. Beta, do you agree to this? Beta, do you agree to this? Yes, sir. Okay. Number 2, agreement, beta. This is important feature. अगर बेटा agreement और partnership must, then the partnership will not come into existence. या तो बेटा सुना partnership दी parties have between agreement. Example, how to sharing of profit. Generally beta, when we discuss the word agreement, as per section beta yaad karo Indian contract. Sir, what is agreement? Sir, agreement is also use dominant parties पांचवी consideration that is called agreement. But beta yem sath is manaj yad what is agreement? Beta issue bana agar parties and पांचवी agreement was then the parties and one's beta disputes rise. That was as देखिए कहता partnership beta कितकन करा sharing of profit that is the document that is called agreement. Yem sath is manaj agreement word क्या हो? That is पूछा बेटा अगर का पार्टी जो तमन बस कितकन च करे distribution of profit partners कहता है क्या partnership में जो partner च क्या तमन remuneration तमन का सा salary बेटा ये कट salary या agreement या तो ब्याह करना partnership deal बेटा ठीक है ओके लिख रहा बेटा business लिखना business means lawful. Business means lawful. Lawful means possession. Suppose beta lawful मतलब some business which is forced by Indian law या which is forced by Constitution of India. Suppose beta collective profession, trade, suppose occupation. Profession beta. These are called the business includes. Suppose business includes beta bana ब्याह का code that is section number 2A. समझ आया बेटा? Section number 2A beta बना business क्या? 2A यानी 2B beta sorry. 2B beta बना section business. कोई एक साथ इस बना what is meaning of business? मतलब मेरे कांति legal activity ये partner पानी करो legal activity बेटा. Illegal activity does not constitute what business. कोई एक साथ इस बना what is business? कोई कांति lawful consideration. कांति lawful बेटा. Suppose चाहे trade action this is also called business. चाहे occupation action and चाहे profession action बेटा. These are concludes what? Business बेटा. समझ हमें what is business? Okay, sir मैं तो बैठ गया हाँ. Sir बैठ जा सर. लिखना बेटा बेटा. Sharing of बेटा ये perspective. I hope बेटा ये तो ऐसा लिखूँ. Sharing of this is number 4th point. Sharing of profit. लिखना बेटा. It means partners. It means how to partners. Partners are share profit, share of business profit. Generally, partnership is formal sharing of profit only, not loss. Loss will be shared with the consent of all partners. समझा बेटा? ओके लिखा बेटा important point. Sharing of एजेंसी। सुनना बेटा, सर मैं तो बेटे हाँ, दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट बेटा। या क्या होना चाहिए? शेयरिंग ऑफ प्रॉफिट इज प्राइमा फेसिया। छुआ तो बना तुझे बस सर शेयरिंग ऑफ प्रॉफिट इज प्राइमा फेसिया। छा बेटा अचना शेयरिंग ऑफ प्रॉफिट बिटवीन पार्टनर्स आर नॉट क्या म्यूचुअल एजेंसी। अगर बेटा व्हाट इज शेयरिंग ऑफ प्रॉफिट? इट मींस पार्टनर्स कितकन च पनन प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करन, दैट इज कॉल्ड शेयरिंग ऑफ प्रॉफिट। सुना बेटा, जनरली पार्टनर्स इज फॉर्मल शेयरिंग प्रॉफिट only. यूज बेटा बनावच असा पार्टनरशिप इज असा only to share a profit not losses बेटा। सर जनरली एक्शन बिजनेस में लॉस असा मगर sometimes कि अनसर्टेनिटीज गई सर ये लॉस उसस का डिस्ट्रीब्यूट अगर पास प्रॉफिट से डिस्ट्रीब्यूट का प्रॉफिट बेटा सर अगर कुछ चीज को अनसर्टेनिटी बेटा सपोज बेटा का बैड टेक्स्ट दैट इज लॉस ऑफ बिजनेस सर सिकिल क्लास को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट या का अनसर्टेनिटी कोई बिजनेस में दैट इट विल बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट विद द कंसेंट ऑफ very good sticky relation मगर with the consent of partners जब साथ partnership agreements बना ताकि लगा sharing of profits on not losses बेटा क्योंकि ये साथ इस बना जो अगर इसका profit business organization चलाऊं then your motive is only one that is to earn the profits not losses बेटा अगर इस बना जो सर मैं तो बेटे बोलो ना सर शेयरिंग ऑफ प्रॉफिट्स ओनली मैं तो बेटे यस क्योंकि इट बिकम्स प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यस और जो मेरा पढ़ा प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन तिनको एक्ट 1932 एनपीओ इस बेटा करा कंसीडर क्योंकि एनपीओ ना प्रॉफिट अर्न कर रहा हूं दिस इज ओनली वन थिंग दैट इज प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ठीक है ओके गुस्सा बेटा the important point लिखने में sharing of profit between partners are not mutual agency बेटा this sharing of profits in mutual agency का define sir what is mutual agency बेटा mutual agency means trust and confidence बेटा ये साथ इस बनाया ऐसा ऐसा तमाम partners मस्त trust and confidence करा बेटा अगर इस बना sharing of profit is the trust of partnership no sharing of profit does not constitute the true and trustship of partnership ये चीज करा बेटा partnership define the trust of partnership does not define mutual agency. या कोई बनाचू business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. That's why this is called the features of partnership. Now we will discuss last point of partnership, that is the mutual trust of partnership. That is trust and confidence बेटा. समझ आवा? लिखना बेटा number last point. I hope बेटा there should look with you. लिखना बेटा. Business carried
So this is mutual agent.
or ending of all business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. But what does it mean? This is called the true trust of partnership.
Or any one of them, right? Or others.
Whatever beta business carried on by all or any of them acting for all, this is the mutual agency. याची बेटा ब्याह ना बना mutual agency बेटा. That we can say that this is called the true trust of partnership. This is really important in examination point of view बेटा. ताकि बेटा इतना कुछ objective sir हाँ बेटा. ताकि इतना objective कुछ कि true trust of partnership कुछ. Number 1 sharing of profit. Number 2 agreement. Number 3 make up point. बेटा सुस्त mutual agency. D parts बेटा जब none. कौन अगर इसका concept आज clear तो बोल. Sir, what is mutual agency? तेरे क्यों बेटा ताकि करे तो objective correct कि mutual agency क्या है? ये साथ में बोले mutual क्या हो? Mutual क्यों को बेटा same. Mutual को equal. That is equal. समझ आओ बेटा कोई एक साथ इसमें what is mutual? That is equal. One partner is bound to the act of another partner. That is the mutual agency. Suppose अगर इस वजह से मिस्टर है तेम कर काम बेटा सर तेम क्या काम कर मैं तो बेटा तेम को बनी ची काम तेम को बेकिस्तान agreement without the consent of another partner. क्या अगर ताक मुझके loss को ताक अगर कुछ loss को बेटा क्या ब्याह partner चा bound करने का कुछ loss? Yes. That's why it becomes what? Mutual agency. Beta समझ आओ what is called partner. This defines the meaning of partnership beta. ये सब इस बना partnership क्या चुना है बेटा? Partnership. अगर इस बना types of partners बेटा ये बात तो discuss आप चीज